Hey folks, what follows is an experiment. It took place right out there on my deck. I decided to try to do a one-shot cooking video. Didn't turn the camera off. I just recorded what I did for about 10 minutes. I think it turned out okay. The sound at places is pretty crappy, and the camera work is kind of what you'd expect for trying to get this done in 10 minutes. Not that that was my goal, but it took about 10 minutes. Let me know what you think. I'd love to do more of these if you like it. Hey folks, today is a good day. It's a good day for a Throw It On Thursday. This is going to be like no other Throw It On Thursday I've done in the past. I'm going to attempt to make a cooking video in one continuous shot. I have my phone all set up with a camera facing me. I can flip it around and show you my cooking stuff. So what I'm going to do is make a little stir fry this afternoon for lunch. I'm going to be making an andouille and scallop stir fry. Just a simple little stir fry out here on the deck. It's a beautiful day, probably about 75 degrees. And again, no edits here. I'm going to do this in one continuous shot. So let's start chopping up some onions and cube up a little andouille sausage. Hopefully I have everything ready to go here. I'm not totally sure. I guess we'll find out. I'm not going to use very many onions, just a little. That's probably enough. I should mention that I do have some rice already made. It's in the little silver kettle over there. I have my cast iron skillet heating up at the moment. So let's cut up a little bit of andouille sausage. This is homemade andouille. I made this probably a month or so ago. It's been vacuum packed and sitting in my freezer for a while. So I'm just going to cube up a little bit of this andouille. It's that time of year when the cottonwood trees are letting loose all their cottonwood. So you might be seeing cottonwood floating into my dish. I'm looking at that as extra fiber. And again, sorry about the camera angle. I just thought I'd set up in one spot and just use that one camera angle to get both my cooking and my solo shots with me in the camera. So that's all cut up. The skillet is getting hot. I'm pretty sure it's up to temp. Let's check it out. 367. Pretty good. I'll throw a little bit of oil in there. Some butter. Get the andouille and the onion cooking a bit. And what I'm going to do is pull this a little off to the side and try to get this part of it kind of screaming hot. It's kind of hard in a cast iron skillet because this cast iron is going to hold that heat pretty good no matter where I put that skillet. I have a lot of little baby scallops here. I was in the store today, found they were on sale. They're actually a product of a small little town close to here called Amarillo, Wisconsin. But I checked a little further, and on the package, it mentioned that it was imported from China. So, season it up. I'm going to put a little slap ya mama on there. And I just inhaled some of this, so I might be coughing. We'll let those get a little bit of a scorching on the bottom. Normally when I make scallops, I make sure the skillet's really hot. Just put them on for a short while. These are really tiny scallops, so I'm just gonna flip them over here. Let them cook just a little bit more. I have a concert later on tonight. I play with the Fond du Lac Symphonic Band. Taking a little chance making scallops before a concert night. Hopefully this works out okay. Okay, that's looking good. I am going to put some rice in there and stir fry some rice. Oh, this is smelling amazing right now. That andouille sausage is seasoned up really good, so I didn't really put a lot of the Cajun seasoning on those scallops. Okay, let's see if I can do this without burning myself too bad. Excuse my reach. Well, it's not all that pretty, but I bet you it's going to taste pretty darn good. Just 1 second while I move the camera. Again, no edits here. This is live. Well, it's recorded, but you get what I mean. All right, scallop and andouille stir fry. Quick little lunch on the deck on this Throw It On Thursday. I'm gonna see if I can get a perfect bite. Little scallop, little andouille, of course some rice and a bit of onions. Oh, that is very tasty. Wow, the sun is hitting me here. Just 1 second. Nice, much better. Hey, this was an attempt to try something a little different on this channel. A live video, well, a recorded live video. Not making any edits here, so let me know what you think. Should I do more of these? I think they're pretty fun. And you know what? I get to eat food out here on the deck, which you can't beat. Hey, as you can tell, I'm having a really good day. Hope whatever you guys are doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time. My neighbor just waved to me. See you guys.